Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to download and install rocketdock. It's like a 3D feature. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. First you want to go to the link in the description and hit download, and I already have it, so I'm going to just cancel that. You're going to get this raw file. You're going to extract that anywhere you want once you can find it. So yeah, you're gonna get this, and then click the setup, hit OK, click next, I agree, next. You can browse for where you want to install the main folder. I'm just gonna leave it as is. Create desktop icon, and yeah, and install. It's gonna install, and then gonna click finish, and then it's showing me that because I already pre-installed it. So yeah, I'm gonna click that, and then you're gonna see some folders and stuff. You can get rid of those, or yeah, I'm just gonna show you some features which you can change it around. So for to change the font, as you can see it's white. I'm gonna click this, and then style, and then select font. You can select any font you want. I'm just gonna go with font I downloaded. Okay, this is a preview of what you're gonna see, like this. So I'm gonna change the shadow color. Okay, font, I'm gonna put it to red, like kind of maroon. Yeah. Outline color, I'm gonna put that to black. As you can see, it came out really nice. What else? Well, you can do that too. As you can see, there is no boundary around it, and you could click where you want to put it. If it's the bottom, left, right. I'm just gonna leave it at the top. What else? Icon. See, I'm gonna put that to high quality. You can run it at startup, so when you log onto your Windows, you don't have to click the shortcut or anything like that. You're just gonna see it here. So yeah, what else haven't I showed you? Oh, you can change the way it looks, like the around it. Like, I'm just gonna give an example here, like this. As you can see, it changed. Or you can go with this. Hold on. Okay. And other stuff. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Okay, as you can see, you're seeing this. You can you can take this and drag it. It's like a divider, like to separate stuff. Or you can even add a separator, so you can separate more than one set of icons or something. You can add a recycle bin right here. This is a recycle bin, this is a recycle bin, so I'm just gonna delete that. Okay, and you can just delete the dividers. You can click auto hide, or yeah, Yeah, so I'm just gonna leave it on auto hide, and that's pretty much it for now. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe. 4000 Chaos app.